In this video, I'm going to show you how to configure IBKR Desktop. So the main two things you can actually change is inside the settings, where you can basically go ahead and change a bunch of things, which I'm going to show you in just a few seconds, and then this Layouts tab over here, which allows full customization. So let me show you how to do this first. Now, of course, you could go ahead and change different things inside portfolios, watch lists, where you can add things, but to really configure it and change it, you want to go to Layouts over here, and then you can basically just create a fresh layout. Now, usually this basic trading setup is going to be automatically applied here, but you can go ahead and just remove certain things by either clicking on this X button, or you can just go ahead and click a plus here, and you can add any of these, so like options trading, advanced trading, or a custom layout. So if I click on custom layout over here, it's going to be completely empty at first, and then you can just click up here, top right, and then this will open up the custom layout toolbox, okay? In here, you can go ahead and pull on whatever you want. So for example, if I want the chart, I can just go ahead and pull on the chart by just clicking on it like that, and it's going to basically get positioned on here. And then I can go ahead and set on whatever I want. So let's say I also want to see time and sales here. And of course, you can move all these around however you want them to be. That's completely up to you and completely fully customizable. You could go ahead and go to trade, for example, and you can go ahead and open up orders here. You could add your watch list. You could go ahead and add the rapid order entry. You can do literally whatever you want. The info here, in case you're interested about the heat map, you have the market depth, etc. So you can customize this, and then you can go ahead and move these around to literally whatever place you actually want it, and you can customize and configure your own layout here inside IBKR Desktop. Of course, for further configuration, you could go ahead and open up settings, and in here you can play around with things such as color themes. So we could go dark or light over here. That's completely up to you. As you can see, you can switch these. You could go ahead and play with the interface here. You can go ahead and, of course, enable or disable these things. You could add on hotkeys. You can configure these as well. I have a separate tutorial on how to do this, so make sure you watch that in case you're interested. You can go ahead and set up different quick trade settings, how the columns look, and you can go ahead and set custom views as well over here, and then customize these that already have been customized. And you can also go into trading here, do the same thing. Over here, you can see, of course, which messages and toast you have. You can then do whatever you want in here and basically configure it and change it according to your own needs and trading style. So that's basically how to configure IBKR Desktop. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.